Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Tuesday morning, 20 minutes before the hour, and we're waking up to some scattered rain showers around Central Oregon. Thus far, none of it has been terribly strong. It has gathered a little bit of water in some areas. Sisters and Bend has seen some of that. Other areas are bone dry this morning. It does not look like we're going to stay that way, however. The one thing that will stay fairly mild through the course of the day will be highs. We're looking at 42 as an average. We're headed for the low to mid 50s, so 10 plus degrees above our average for this date. 7:38 for sunrise, sunset at 4:48. Lapine, one of those areas that's a little bit drier this morning. However, if you're headed over the Cascades, you are going to need to carry chains or traction tires. Not likely you're going to need to use them, however. Freezing levels have been high enough that much of what the Cascades have seen, at least at pass level, has been either just solid rain, such as Government Camp, or mixed showers like we have seen on Santiam Pass, on the road up to Mount Bachelor, and on Willamette Pass. So visibility will be down just a little bit. Watch for the runoff. It is going to be fairly strong in some areas. Well, we're looking at pretty nice conditions all across the nation, with the big exception being the Pacific Northwest. This current storm stretches from southern British Columbia all the way down to the Bay Area of California. Western portions of Washington and Oregon are under flood watches this morning, and it's mainly because of high wind that is pushing water up against the coastline, heavy rain from the mountaintops all the way to the coast, and the runoff colliding with those heavy winds pushing the surf into the coast has really created a problem. Now, for Central Oregon, it looks like we're going to be within the rain range for the next 24 hours at least. For some, it'll be fairly mild. Others will see heavier rain periodically through the course of the day. As we get into tonight, you'll see this stay with us. This is going to be accompanied by some high winds out of the south, and about this time tomorrow morning, you'll see this start to break up. By lunchtime, we'll get some more sunshine, and as we get into the latter portion of the day, clearer skies are going to be prevailing. Now, it doesn't mean that we'll see no clouds whatsoever. We will get some, but the threat of showers is going to be limited after we get through tomorrow morning. And then from there, not bad at all. You'll see that in our extended forecast. Yesterday, we hit 48 at Roberts Field for a daytime high. We're already at 52, and we're headed for the mid-50s for much of the region. So it's going to be a very warm day, howbeit windy and rainy. The winds out of the south have already started to ramp up for some. Some areas will see gusts as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour. So these warm temperatures will be accompanied by wind-driven rain. Will be scattered through the 30s tonight. We'll cling to these mild daytime highs, tomorrow being about the coolest day we see for a while. Even with a variable cloud cover through the weekend, we'll stay warm and dry.